I can see you through the mirror, you know. What's the name of all the kids in your class?
I just don't want to do it.
Oh, fine.
Backing it up.
Daniel, when it gets to be nice and sunny, we're going to go to the pond. Oh, look at you. You're like my little love bug. Daniel, do you remember when we used to have you, remember that bike last summer? Now you can't fit in it for sure. Even last summer, it was like, it was a little close.
Go back.
But the first year we got it, your feet couldn't even touch the pedals.
Did you know what?
What, buddy?
I'm in love with somebody.
Who?
Isabel.
You are? From school? Wow.
In class.
Does she know?
What?
Does she know?
Well, somebody told her.
Who told her?
Velma.
Did you mind?
You trick me, did it? Everybody.
What?
In my class. Everybody's in my class. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Love you.
I love you too.
Can I see it?
Yeah.